Solve the inequality m squared plus 7 over 8 is greater than 16, showing clearly your algebra working. So we've got m squared plus 7 over 8 is greater than 16. If you times both sides by 8, you're going to get m squared plus 7 is greater than 128. If we now subtract 128 from both sides, we need to find where m squared minus 121 is greater than 0. Now we can factorise this because this is known as the difference of two squared. It's of a squared minus b squared, which factorised down to a plus b, a minus b. So it becomes m square root of 121 is 11. So m plus 11, m minus 11 is greater than 0. So the critical values from this will be m is a minus 11 and m is equal to 11. That's what these make these two brackets 0. If we sketch the function of m squared minus 121, y is equal to m squared minus 121. So it will cut the axis here and here. Here up minus 121, this up minus 11, and this at 11. It's a quadratic, so it will look like that. So it will look like that, and we'll label it. Where is it greater than 0? Well, here it's equal to 0. Here it's less than 0. So above it's greater than 0. So it will be any value of x less than minus 11 cannot be equal to, or any value of 11 greater than 11. So it gives x is less than 11 or x is greater than 11 as the final answers. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve a quadratic inequality. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.